Ancient arts and science combined, a gift to body, soul, and mind. In Hangzhou's halls where knowledge bloomed, a calling noble was resumed. With careful hands and searching eyes, hope awakens, spirits rise. Healing hands with hearts so true, blending ancient paths with new. Every pulse, each tongue reveals the hidden story that one feels. Body, spirit, mind restored. Nature's wisdom is our sword. Together, science, east and west, guiding every soul to health and rest. Through acupuncture's gentle grace and herbs from nature's vast embrace, nutrition, balance, life renewed, with every treatment carefully pursued. Laboratories, modern light, meet traditions tested right. Imagine research, wisdom's flame, healing wears no single name. Healing hands with hearts so true, blending ancient paths with new. Every pulse, each tongue reveals the hidden story that one feels. Body, spirit, mind restored. Nature's wisdom is our sword. Together, science, east and west, guiding every soul to health and rest. For those who feared the fading side, you searched until you found the light. For retinitis, hope was born, where many hearts had once been torn. For women's health and cancer care, compassion answered every prayer. For diabetes, heavy chain, knowledge worked to ease the pain. Flight crews soaring through the skies found answers hidden from all eyes. Research born from care and truth, giving weary lives renewed. Each patient's journey starts anew, with plans designed for only you. Lifestyle herbs and mindful care, a healing partnership we share. Heat and cleansing nourishment, health becomes life's greatest gift. Every heartbeat tells a song where hope and healing both belong. Healing hands forever strong, where every heart can still belong. East and west together stand, bringing hope across the land. For every family, every friend, may health and happiness extend. Through faith, compassion, truth, and art, healing starts within the heart. Let every generation sing of health that nature's blessings bring. With wisdom old and science new, a brighter life begins with you. Physician treated.